Hello everyone, I'm Meng Meng. Welcome to the Flight Attendant Skills and Management class. In flight safety, the correct operation of the cabin door is crucial. Whether it's daily boarding or emergency evacuation, mastering operation skills can ensure the safety of passengers and crew. Today, through detailed explanations and practical demonstrations, we will help everyone gain an in-depth understanding and master the operation process of the A320 aircraft. Now, let's learn together. Before we start, I would like to share a real case with you all. In a certain flight, due to improper operation of the cabin door, the slide deployed unexpectedly before the plane came to a complete stop, causing damage to ground personnel and equipment. This incident reminds us once again that cabin door operation should not be taken lightly and must be carried out strictly to the standard procedures. Through the training today, I hope everyone will take this as a warning. To improve the standardization and safety of cabin door operations. Types and locations of cabin doors. The Airbus A320 has 4 floor-level exits, located at the front and rear of the cabin, on both the left and right sides. These doors are not only used for passenger boarding, but also matter a lot in emergency evacuations. In the middle of the cabin, there are 2 non-floor level exits on both sides, called overwing windows, usually used for the emergency evacuation of the crew. Let's first get to know the various components inside the cabin door. Cabin door status indicators, locked and unlocked, 3 auxiliary handles, arming handle, armed and disarmed positions, safety pin, red warning tape, safety pin storage slot, observation window, cabin pressure warning light, arming warning light, door support arm, doorhendel, sluitbek, doorgeslock, doorknob. First, confirm that the slide pressure indicator is within the green zone. Second, confirm that the slide is not in the pre-positioned state, the ready handle is not in the ready position, and the red warning tape is exposed. Third, confirm that the cabin door is not damaged. Attention should be paid to cabin door operation. First, check the indicator light. Before opening, one should first confirm whether the pressure warning light is flashing. If it is flashing, it indicates a pressure difference in the cabin, and the door should not be opened at this time. Second, when pre-positioning the slide, one should ensure that the slide pre-positioning handle is in the disarmed position, to prevent the slide from deploying unexpectedly. Third, when opening the cabin door, one should hold the auxiliary handle next to the cabin door with one hand and gently lift the handle upward with the other. After confirming that the warning light is not on, one continues to lift the handle upward to the fully open position and push the door outward until the gust lock is locked. Fourth, when closing the cabin door, first, retract the door barrier rope, release the gust lock, and then pull the door inward. When the door is aligned with the frame, press down on the cabin door handle until the door is closed and confirm whether the door status indicator shows locked. To deepen understanding, we will proceed with a practical demonstration. Please carefully study the details of the operation and imitate them in practice. After the practical training, we will conduct a hands-on assessment to ensure that every student can master the operation process proficiently. Play 4 practice videos. Confirm that the slide pre-arming handle is in the disarmed position. Confirmed. Confirm that there are no obstacles inside and outside the door. Confirmed. Confirm that the cabin pressure warning light is not flashing. Confirmed. Lift the door handle to 15 degrees. Confirm that the slide prearming indicator light is not on. Confirmed. Open the door and push it until the gust lock engages. Completed. Stow the retaining rope. Completed. Confirm that there are no obstacles inside and outside the door. Confirmed. Press down the gust lock. Completed. Grip the door assist handle. Pull the door inward until it is fully within the door frame. Completed. Press the door operating handle down to the closed position. Completed. Confirm that the door lock indicator shows the green lock sign. Confirmed. Confirm that there are no objects trapped in the door frame. Arming the slide, pull out the safety pin and place it in the storage position. Stow the red warning tape. Completed. Move the slide prearming handle to the armed position. Completed. Confirm the inspection. Confirmed. Disarming the slide again. Move the slide prearming handle back to the disarmed position. Completed. Remove the safety pin locking handle. The red warning tape is exposed. Completed. Confirm the inspection. Confirmed. Through today's learning, we have explained in detail the types and locations of the Airbus A320 aircraft's cabin doors, as well as the internal and external operation processes. Cabin door operation is an important part of flight safety. I hope everyone can pay high attention to it and strictly follow the operating procedures in daily work. Only in this way can we ensure the safety of passengers and crew and escort every flight. I'm Meng Meng, see you in the next class.